Get ready to elevate your taste buds. Today, we're taking two iconic dishes and smashing them together for an unforgettable culinary experience: the bulgogi cheesesteak. It's the savory, sweet, and cheesy mashup you never knew you needed. First, you'll need thinly sliced bulgogi beef, marinated and ready to sizzle. Grab some provolone or a melty cheese blend, and don't forget those soft, crusty hoagie rolls. We'll also use onions, bell peppers, and a touch of gochujang for an extra kick. Heat your pan and sauté the sliced onions and peppers until tender and slightly caramelized. Push them to the side, then add your marinated bulgogi beef. Cook it quickly until beautifully browned and fragrant, breaking it up as it cooks. Once the bulgogi is cooked through, mix it with the vegetables. Now, it's time for the magic. Lay your cheese slices directly over the hot mixture. Let it melt into a gooey, irresistible blanket, creating that classic cheesesteak pull. Carefully scoop the cheesy bulgogi mixture into your toasted hoagie rolls. Pile it high, ensuring every bite is packed with flavor. For an extra layer of deliciousness, drizzle with a little sriracha mayo or a sprinkle of sesame seeds. And there you have it, your very own bulgogi cheesesteak. It's a symphony of textures and tastes, from the tender, sweet, savory beef to the gooey cheese and crisp veggies. Get ready to impress everyone with this incredible fusion.